I'm Katie Pix and welcome to my channel. Some of you may know me quite well by now, or you might be brand new here. Either way, here's a few things to get to know about me. That's self-indulgent. I can make paper airplanes with my feet. I'm not sure how I found that out. I bite my nails really badly. These aren't real. Seriously, they're like half the size. My dogs are my children. I can control the lower lid of my left eye. Is it weird? Can you see? My mum and dad are chefs. I have never gotten over the novelty of living in London, ever. I love it. Apart from the traffic, I have 1 square foot and 1 round foot. Are these facts that people want to know? I genuinely eat about 3 melons a week. Freaking love melon. I faint at the sight of my own blood, like the smallest amount. Even a paper cut, gone, out, done, over, horrendous. What are you doing?
Prove it. Prove it.
Oh. I get quite bad food panic, so when there's something that I want, or I want seconds of it, and I don't think I'm going to be able to get it, really, really worries me.
Is that not just called being greedy?
No, I think it's like a medical thing, for sure. I worked for a long time for Mr. Jamie Oliver, but I took total advantage of my position and actually stole Harry Styles' number from his direct messages. That's okay, right? That's legal.
That's fine.
It's fine.
That's fine.
I can smile showing only my gums, no teeth. I mean, I don't know how we'd show the Declan Donnelly one, so maybe we'll skip that one. I'm an auntie. Favourite film of all time? Wallace and Gromit, Curse of the Were-Rabbit.
Terrible.
Do you judge me for that?
Yes.
Why? Why am I called Katie Pix? Because my dad used to call me Sugar Plum Pixie Fairy Lulabelle Poppet Honey Pie Sweetie, which was actually quite long, so my family shortened it to Pix. I started my YouTube channel in 2016. October. Was it? My favourite chocolate is Lindor, like the balls, not the lint, Lindor. I can do a cartwheel. I mean, I'm not sure about this one. We'll find out. Yeah.
And the butterfly.
I've ran 2 marathons really badly. I have a TV show called Naughty and Delicious on Food Network USA.
Katie, we said facts.
Seriously? Seriously happening? Food Network US, Naughty and Delicious, my freaking TV show. Oh my god. Every time I talk about it, it just makes me really excited. Sorry. Hello, I'm Katie Pix. You can tell from my accent, I'm from England. You can tell from my appetite that I was raised by 2 chefs. My entire life revolves around food. Just look at every photo of me as a child and every photo I post online today. Not much has changed. It's a colour visual feast for your eyes and your bellies. Food, glorious food.